Hey, how you doing today? My name is HelyeaRelyea, and thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I want to show you what I'm doing with my gaming setup and kind of how I had it before and after and setting it all up. And let's go ahead and jump right in. Whoa, check it out. This is it. I mean, look, it's not even like my full arm's length. It's a small room, but you know what? It's the best sounding room in the entire house. Why? Because of all the clothes. With all the clothes, there's no echo, and it sounds so much better in this room than any other room in the house. It's also away from the living room and the kids and all the noise that's going on out there, and nobody bothers me back here. Except for the wife sometimes. I bought this laptop solely to be good enough just to be able to stream my gaming and be able to record and do everything I need to do. It works, and that's kind of all there is to it. I got my Blue Yeti microphone. This is probably the most expensive and most important piece of my entire equipment setup. A Blue Yeti microphone makes it so you can hear me crystal clear. I got a Logitech 920C webcam, and this thing is not bad at all. As you can see up here, I've got a nice soft light box. The only thing is it gets a little bit too bright and I get kind of like oily on my forehead, and it's super shiny. People are saying, hey, your forehead is like the sun and it's reflecting right in my eyes. So I put my wife's scarf up here. I don't know if she appreciates it or not. I just kind of did it. So check this out. Boom, just like that. So much brighter and just makes everything look so good. If you don't have enough direct light on a green screen where all the light is like even and gets rid of all the shadows, a green screen won't work at all. This thing makes the magic happen. So we got the laptop, we got the Blue Yeti microphone, we got the Logitech camera, and we got the soft light box, and all this stuff works out great. But what am I actually playing on? I'm actually looking at this tiny little Q-Star TV, and it's like, I don't know, 12, 15 inches, something like that. It's just big enough for me to be able to see the gaming as I'm playing. But then, the consoles actually sit on the ground over here. I barely have enough room to make this all work. So we actually have tile on the ground, and it is very, very loud and echoes everything. So I put this giant Mexican blanket on the ground. It's something I've had ever since a kid, so it's actually very comforting to have here with me. The internet comes through on the cords from the living room. These are 50-foot cords that come all the way from the living room just to bring internet and keep everything stable for the live streams. The Nintendo Switch is plugged directly into the Ethernet with a U-Green Ethernet adapter. Probably one of the best purchases I made. The thing is really, really helpful. I'll put a link to that down below. There's a power plug that literally comes from the master bedroom and has to come through under the door. The whole stream looking like it's a professional done thing. It's all smoke and mirrors. It's none of that. Oh man, it's bad. It barely works, but it works. Now it's time to go back outside for that upgrade. So you saw the old setup. Now I'm going to grab the desk and chair and new monitor out of the car, and I'm going to go take it upstairs, and we're going to do the new setup. Alright, so now that we got this desk upstairs, we need to get rid of all the stuff in the closet, get it all out of here, and put the new stuff into the closet. It's massive, and it's not a gaming chair. I'm not sure if you can see how wide this table is, but I mean, it's only like a couple inches. Like, that's like my forearm. It's really not that big. There we go. So now I'm going to show you exactly how we have this all set up and how it's all actually put together. So you start off with a Nintendo Switch or some sort of console. You take that image and you use an HDMI cable from here once it's got power, the Elgato HD capture card takes the Nintendo Switch signal to 2 different places. So the first place the signal goes is to the TV here, and this is where I'm playing, and this is actually where I can see everything real time. I can't play off the laptop because there's a little bit of lag and latency. It's impossible to try to play games with just the laptop and not having a TV to play off of. And then I've got the laptop. I never had this extra monitor until just today, but that is so awesome. It's going to help make it so I can just get more stuff done while I'm in the middle of a stream. Very excited to have that now. And then, like I said earlier, one of the most important pieces of equipment for a stream is going to be your microphone. People need to be able to hear you. People don't necessarily have to see your face. You don't need a webcam. That's a bonus thing. That's extra. But having a good microphone, that is super, super important. Last but maybe least, actually, is going to be having decent lighting. You only really need decent lighting if you're going to have any sort of camera on your face. If you don't have a camera on your face, you don't even need the lighting. And if you're going to take it one step further, you can do a green screen, but you don't even really need to worry about a green screen until you have a camera. And then 2, you need lighting. If you don't have solid lighting where this thing is getting the good light all over it, the green screen is just not going to chroma key the correct way. And just like that, we got rid of the old setup. This is the new setup. I'm still going to tweak with it a little bit more. I'm so happy to have just more desk room and just an extra screen to be able to play with. Go ahead and check out this video here, or check out this video over here. I'm pretty sure they're both pretty good. Also, do me a favor, leave a comment down below. I reply to every comment on all my videos. Test me. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. My name is HelyeaRelyea, and I hope to talk to you again more soon.